If you're feeling tired, bloated, or you just want a refreshing tea that will make your day sweet, then this video is for you. Hi there, I am Hairat and you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Into my tea pot, I will go in with lemongrass, which soothes digestion, reduces inflammation and pain. It also supports your heart health and also promotes relaxation. Next, I am going to add prekese or Asian fruit, and this fruit helps regulate your blood sugar. It also lowers blood pressure and boosts the immune system. And it also helps in postpartum care. Here I have bagaroa, which help protect the kidney, and it also help in ulcer healing. Next, I have ginger, which reduces cholesterol and fights infection. And then I have cloves, which reduces bloating and gas, ulcer protection, and blood sugar control. So I am going to add everything into the teapot, go in with enough water to make sure it covers everything in the pot, okay? And here I went in with 2 cups of the water, and that is perfect for the things I've already put in the pot. Okay, so I am going to allow this to boil for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It's perfect. So just give this tea a try, and your body will thank you later. Okay, it is so healthy and perfect for your system. So here it is ready, and I am going to put it in a cup and allow it to cool down before I take it. You can sweeten it with honey and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.